your best for you. Just send me DM. For those that will do December chicken, let me know. They are just 25 days old though. Look at, because I'm feeding them well, and they are doing very well. They don't have CROD, they don't have coccidiosis, they don't have typhoid, because I'm giving them the right medication. So if you want me to build your December chicken for you, just DM me, message me, and we'll discuss. Look at them. Look at the way they are eating their food.